age, you can enjoy of a comforting swim at the beach. It's a natural thalassotherapy that relaxes the muscles, reduces high blood pressure, improves blood circulation, enhances the skin and reduces stress. But before entering the sea, consider the following points. Be aware of your condition and physical limitations. Enter the water slowly to allow your body to adjust to the water temperature. If you feel cold, do not swim. Remember to keep well hydrated and to wear a hat. Avoid heavy food and stay away from the beach during the middle of the day. A heart attack in the water causes drowning in only 1 minute. Therefore, avoid deep areas of water and intense physical exercise. Remember that yours is the voice of experience. This is advice from the Gran Canaria Council. Security at all costs for Canarian waters.